My name is Matthias Brenner and I'm a doctoral student at the Chair for Construction Heritage and Preservation at ETH. Currently we're at the Advanced Manufacturing Lab of ETH, and right now here I'm standing inside the WAM welding cell, where we can use a robotic arm to deposition material layer by layer with a welding end effector. We are trying to use digital fabrication for bespoke components to produce them as a spare part when needed. We're doing this because after roughly 40 to 50 years, some of the bespoke components of the facade construction are in dire need of repair or maintenance. Very small, focused interventions with spare parts and their replacement with a digital fabricated spare part aids to keep the overall facade construction in place.